is the Miso Customs V3 Minimalist Fob. This will fit the 2022 and up Toyota Tundra, 23 and up Toyota Sequoia, and the brand new 2024 and up Tacoma. Opening the box here, we've got the top half, the bottom half, and the black box with all the hardware. Opening this up will reveal the metal bottle opener, the Allen key, the factory key retention clip. This will hold the factory key in. 2 springs, 2 Allen screws, and all of the buttons. We've got the lock, the unlock, the panic. Going over to the other section, we have a blank if your vehicle does not have that option, a tailgate icon for the vehicles with power tailgate, and the hatch option if you have the SUV. We're going to be installing the Sequoia one with the picture of the hatch, setting the rest aside. Taking the top, starting with the lock button, insert it, press down, you'll hear a click. These buttons have full retention so they won't fall out. They do rattle a little bit, but once it's assembled, they will be tight. Going to the unlock icon, you'll hear it snap into place, and the panic. Finally, we're going to do the icon for the Sequoia, which shows a hatch. Now, taking the factory key, remove the original spare key. Use that to open the factory fob, and that will reveal the original circuit board, which we need, setting the back aside. We also need this rubber liner off the factory upper section. This will ensure our new fob is waterproof. Nothing will leak in. Taking the back, drop the circuit board in, followed by the rubber liner, sits right on top. Now we're going to take the metal locking bar. It can only go in one way. Drop it right down the center, followed by the 2 springs. There's little posts that they sit on right inside there. Set one on each, just like that. Finally, we'll take the metal bottle opener, dropping it on top. I found it a good trick to hold it with your fingers on each corner, depressing the springs. Taking the top, slip it in. It's going to slip in from the top and lock down. From the top, lock down, make sure everything's lined up. While holding, take our 2 Allen screws, put them in, and tighten them down. Don't go too tight. They are going into plastic. There is a metal thread insert in there, but snug is good enough. Double check all the functions: lock, unlock, hatch, panic. Now taking our factory spare key, press it in, you'll hear it lock. And there's the installation for the V3 Miso Minimalist Fob.